أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear brothers and sisters here. How are you all? Kindly make use of the chat box to reply, inshallah. Let it be an interactive session. Alhamdulillah, I'm good as well. Alhamdulillah. So we are into the day 12 of this course, and Alhamdulillah, 12 days have passed by so fast, right? Alhamdulillah, in yesterday's class, we were discussing about how we were creating the Quranic Tilawa videos, right? SubhanAllah, that was a great session with you all. Barakallahu fiki, all of the homeworks that you all have submitted were excellent. May Allah bless you more in it. May Allah help you to create more such content in future, inshallah. Okay, so with the intention to do something for the sake of Allah, for the deen of Allah, inshallah, let's all begin the session with the niyyah that we are doing this, we are learning this for the sake of Allah, for the pleasure of Allah, and to use this ability for the deen of Allah, inshallah. So let's continue with this journey of being productive with our smartphones, and I want you all to rectify your intentions and start with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. A quick lesson recap. It was nothing but the Quranic Tilawa videos that we were discussing in yesterday's class. Do you all have any doubts regarding the editing of the Quranic Tilawa videos? If you have any of the doubts, kindly text in the chat box now, inshallah. Let me clear to you all of the doubts that you have, inshallah. Come on. So hope you all have learned how to source the Quranic recitations, right? Okay. I hope you all have learned how to get the Quranic recitations audios, right? everyayah.com. Kindly please type so that whoever is new here who was not present in yesterday's class can get quick recap of yesterday's class. Okay. Of number one, dear sisters and brothers, where did we source our audios from? Where did we source our audios from? Our fonts from, the Arabic fonts that we had, the Arabic text. So Alhamdulillah, to source up the audios, what we had to do was we had to just go to the website named everyayah.com. Okay, if you cannot, if you find it difficult to get each and every ayah, get each and every ayah merged, you can also find it on the Google. Okay, you can just Google it up and see. You can just Google it up and see where you will find the entire Surah MP3. Okay, you can just find it like, for example, if you want Surah Al-Asr, you just type Surah Al-Asr MP3 download. Okay, it will be available after the search. Okay, it will be available. You just can download the entire MP3 of whichever Khari you want. Okay, whichever Khari you want, you can just type his name, type their name, and just get the audios or the audios from there. Okay, but you are not finding those audios on the Google. Then what you can do is go to the YouTube, search for that Khari, search for that recitation, download the video, entire video, just download it. Okay, then you're creating your own video, right? Just download their video, put it on the Kind Master timeline, and extract the audios, right? Extract the audios. Fine, you can just do this procedure. Okay, then we have some of the doubts. Okay, I'll just deal with the doubts that are here. How to increase the text size in the stickers? Okay, this will be dealt in this class, inshallah. So what you have to do is there is something called as a font option there. You have to go to the settings there. Okay, setting the color, the text size will all be there, inshallah. I'll just show you all the setting, inshallah. What more? And Islam 360 app, the text is not being copied. Yes, the text won't be copied from the app. Yes, the Arabic text can be copied, dear sister. You have to switch on the option of copying the Arabic text. Okay, switch on the option of copying Arabic text, or you can just click on the three dot option there and just click on the copy. All of the three things like Arabic, the Urdu and English, everything will be copied out. Okay, just copy in that way as well. That procedure works well. Fine, then how to download audio of Surat Al-Ikhlas complete? If I download from everyayah.com, it's not showing in audio files. Okay, every aya.com, if it is not showing audio files, it will be available, dear sister. It will be available on your audios, fine. If you're not finding it from there, probably from the downloads it will be available. Okay, from in the downloads it will be available, dear sister, fine. Just go and search in your audio media, audio browser, and it will be available in your downloads. If it is not available in your downloads, then what you can do is you can download it from YouTube, download the entire video from the YouTube, and then just you have to extract the audio. It will get extracted, fine. It will get extracted. If it is not extracted, then you have not downloaded it properly. Probably you have downloaded it without the audio. Without the audio, there is something called without the audio. I think you have downloaded it in that format. Okay, please check the audio again before downloading. Then how to change the color of the ayah? If the ayah is white, you cannot change the color of the ayahs, which is from the images. If you have taken the images, you cannot change the color, because the images is itself, the color is already defined in that images. So what you can do is you just have to remove the background of that. If you have taken pngs, black pngs, probably you can convert the black pngs into white pngs by just increasing the brightness or decreasing the background. Probably this might work. I have no hope on that. But if to convert the font color, it is based on, if you take the text layer, then you can easily convert the font color. But if you are taking the images like screenshots of the ayahs, then that would be difficult for you to convert, fine. But whatever the ayah color is there, that will retain, and background can be easily removed by the green screen, fine. And then have to change the color of the ayah. Extracted audios are not showing in audios folder, ma'am. Okay, inshallah, please check again where you have downloaded it. It will be shown. If it is not shown, then inshallah I'll just, okay, I'll just help you out again. Just show me the screen, or share the screen again. Inshallah, I'll help you out with that. Yes, alhamdulillah, you have done well with the Islam 360 app, and it's working. That's great, dear sister, alhamdulillah. So this were the doubts I had to deal with the Quranic recitation videos. Alhamdulillah, you all have created an excellent content. It is very excellent for a beginner, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, it's very, very great for a beginner to go with this level. Mashallah, all of you have done it excellently. Do not set back. Do not set back. Do not think that I have not done well. You have done a great content. You have edited a great content, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, so do not worry. Alhamdulillah, you all have created the best content. Fiki. So I want you all to be ready with the two devices. Today we are going to start off with your social handles. Okay, probably you all have been having your own social handles, or your own business handles, or whatever business logos, brand logos, or something like that. If you have, keep it ready with you. Inshallah, we're just going to start off with making the intros and outros with your own social handles, social media handle, what we say, handle logos for that, inshallah. So be ready with that, so that we will just design a beautiful intros and outros for you all, inshallah. This will be a fun session. This will be a kind of an easy going session. Okay, do not worry. Probably yesterday you all had to work so much on the projects. So just to train you all with the Quranic Tilawa videos. Those were the greatest, the bigger projects that you all had taken. The entire surah is actually a big project. Okay, what we as a video editors do is, entire surah, whenever we edit, it is nothing but it is a big project. Okay, when we edit a single ayah and or something like that, that is a smaller project that we take 30-second, 20-second videos. All of those are small ayah projects. But yesterday what we were dealing with, it was a bigger project. Alhamdulillah, you all did it excellently, dear sisters and brothers. Barakallahu fiki. Okay, now inshallah we are just gonna see how we are going to design the intros, outros for our own YouTube handles, or for our own YouTube channels, or whatever you create, inshallah, in the future. You are the future video editors, right? Inshallah, alhamdulillah, you all will be editing a great content. Hope so that you all will create a great content for the sake of Allah, inshallah. So I want you all to just focus and start off with the name of Allah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So for today's session, we are heading on to the second day of the special training session, and in this session we are going to start off with creating an intro, outro, social icon videos, and more for your social handles. And also we'll teach you how you're going to use the templates that are already available in the KindMaster, and then create a beautiful content, inshallah. So I want you all to follow along with me, practice along with me, and concentrate and be attentive, inshallah. I'm going to send you all the some of the videos that you can put your logos into, inshallah. You can design your own intro intros, but to be that it is actually available on the platforms. For example, it is already available on the YouTube and more platforms, right? So at this, these ones are the versions already graphically designed. You just have to put in your own logos there. Fine. I have just shared it now in the group. I want you all to download it and keep, so that we will work along with each and every social handle that we can start off with. Okay. Hope you all have downloaded the content that I have just now sent in the group, right? Did you all download it? Kindly type in the chat box, please, so that I'll understand whether you're all following along with me. Okay, alhamdulillah. So let me just start screen sharing. Open your Canvas, keep it ready, inshallah. We are going to start off with the editing more of the content now, inshallah. So come on, create a new project, create in whichever aspect ratio you want. Let me just start creating with this aspect ratio. Okay, type the project name, please, that you're editing an intro video, fine? Project name is an intro video, fine? Okay, this is the media browser that shows up the videos that you have downloaded it. You just can make use of all of those videos, inshallah. Let me see which video I'll make use of now, inshallah. So for now, let me just go with something like this. The 10-second video here. This one. Let's just start off with this one, right? Okay, chalo, just click on that, dear sisters and brothers, a 10-second video that is being inserted. Insert it on your timeline. It's quite easy to make your own logos, make your own intros and outros, right, dear sisters and brothers? What you need to have is the two things: your name, brand name, the business name that you have, and also the tagline. Okay, you can, for now, if you do not have your own social handles or something like that, you just can create it for me, inshallah. So that we will be putting up anywhere, wherever we want, inshallah. So what you can do is, if you are just inserting this one, I'm just showing you with this one. You can just make use of any of the videos that I have sent to you, fine? So this is the video that I have. Let me just play it and see how is it. It shows up in this way, and it vanishes off probably. Okay, this is the video that we have. Okay, it's not showing up correctly. I'll show you how it is. Okay, then it vanishes off and it comes from here. Okay, so this is the video that we have. So what can I insert here, dear sisters and brothers? How can I make this as into a logo format? Okay, this is an intro video that I just kept from somewhere. I just thought it would be best to do an intro with this. Let me see how I can do an intro with this. Any guesses how can we start off with this? We can just put our own logos and start off, right? We can just put our logo and start off, or also we can just create it as writing the name of our handle and just writing the tagline. We can do it as well, and we also can make it more interesting, dear sisters and brothers. Come on, let's start. First, let me start with the text layer. Let it start from here. Let it start from here. So let me insert a text layer first. Fine. Let me write EDU-SITE in it. Okay. So it's here. It's written. It's written well. So it's still here. Okay. Now everything called as an animation and everything comes into picture here, dear sisters and brothers. So I want you all to make use of these tools that I'm going to teach you, that I have taught you in the previous classes. Fine. For example, I'm just writing this EDU-SITE throughout. So what I have to do is, let me put an in animation to this. Let me put an in animation fading up. Let me put an out animation fading up. Okay. So when I play this, it seems this one. Okay. Let me change the font style also. Android Roboto Black. Okay, this would be fine, probably. Okay, this would be fine. Okay, so I just want to put this as a watermark. Okay, I want to put this as a watermark, so I'm using a bigger version for this. Do not worry, you can just use your own creativity to make it as such. Okay, it's not like you have to do it in this way or something like that. Let me just decrease its opacity. Okay, it's like this. Now what I can do is I can make it moving throughout the video. So let me see how I can just do it move throughout the video. So where do we have something called as an, okay, till here it stops. Okay, till here it stops. So yahan tak let it be there. So what I do is, let me just trim right here, right? Trim right. Done. So, okay, let me make it keep moving inside the screen. Dear sisters and brothers, how to make it keep moving inside the video? Come on, type in the chat box. How do you want to keep logo moving inside? What are you going to use to make this writing? Yes, it is an animation, dear sisters and brothers. Alhamdulillah. So, how I want to introduce it? Let it be here. Let it be this. Okay, let it be outside the screen, or else let it be from this side. Okay, whatever we want, we can just implement it. That's all in your way of doing things that comes here. Fine, let it be this one. At this point, you have to whenever you insert a keyframe, dear sisters and brothers, please remember this thing. Okay, whenever you insert a keyframe, you have to be there. Fine, for example, you're inserting the keyframe now. Okay, in animating animation stuff here. Now when you insert it, now what you have to do is you have to be there and do the animation for that. Well, I have found out that you're using this animation tool wrongly, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, when you click on the plus, please be attentive now. Just when you click on the plus mark, okay, stay there. Now you have to do the animation, what animation you want to do. Fine, are you getting this concept? Okay, now I'll move to the position where I want to animate this. Now I'll put on the plus mark again. I'll drag this out of the screen. Fine, so now when you play this and see, it appears in this way. Fine, so probably it's moving up and down because I have not arranged it correctly onto the screen, right? So what I have to do, if I want to remove, see, I'm just showing you how to remove this animation that is there. Go to the red dots that are here. Can you just see the red dots that are here? This is the animation thing that you have mentioned, dear sisters and brothers. These are the two animation, two places where you animated. Fine, two places. Now what you have to do, you have to move to those two places and then remove that animation. To remove that animation, go to that place, click on the minus button. This is one thing that I felt wrong in your all of you in most of your animation videos. Okay, in the thing that you are animating. Fine, so this is an important thing that you all have to remember, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, for now this is here and the midst of the screen. Let me just place it. It is outside, right? This is here. Okay, to bring it in, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it at the end, and I'm gonna just put it outside at the end. Okay, at the end I have given this, because, and also this one at the center, it is at the center now. Fine, so when you play this and see, it is in this way, it moves in the right way. Fine, okay, so this is how I have mentioned it, just as a watermark. Okay, then if I want to create like I have to put a tagline of my own. Now what I'll do is I'll just I can duplicate this again. I can just duplicate this again. If you do not want to create the text again, what you all have to do is you can just duplicate the text that are here. Okay, I'm just going to remove whatever animation I have given. I don't want the animation to the second thing, so I'm just going to put it up like this. Okay, probably that won't work properly. The animated things, when you duplicate, it won't be great to go with. So EDU-SITE. Okay, now I'm gonna place my logo. That was just a watermark that I had given. Okay, it's purely your creativity, dear sisters and brothers. I'm already telling you all, you can just be more creative with your own text. Whatever you want to insert, you can do, make use of, inshallah. So you just have to do it in your own way. So I felt this would look good, so I designed it in this way. And I want you all to make your own copies of your own intros and extros there. Okay, the back end that I put, I want to lower that opacity more. Okay, I want to lower it more. Okay, come on, do it along with me. Try it out. Try different ways of doing this. Try different ways of doing this animation and also the logos. Use your creativity, inshallah. Put your creativity into videos, inshallah. so that this seems great content that you are creating. Fine. You can just also start off with the logos, but just I wanted to show with the text because yesterday I felt the text things were not working great with you all. So I just wanted to show how you are gonna edit properly with your text. Okay, animate properly with your text. So again, if you do not want animation, what you can do is you can just place this text here. I don't want this animation, I'll just remove this animation. What I do is I'll just place it here if I don't want this animation. Okay, this seems perfect. Okay, seems well. You can do it in your own way, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, if you do not find it great to go with, do it in your own way. So chalo, next what I want to do here is EDU-SITE. I just can write it in this way. Okay, probably this text doesn't seem well for me, so I'll take the text in which I find a bit more in larger format. For example, in this way, it should be a bit. Okay, this would be to go with. Okay, after that, you just have to do is what you all have to do is you just have to write a tagline there. So any tagline, you just have to duplicate this. And also the in animation and out animation counts so much, dear sisters and brothers. Please remember that. Fine. We edit this. Are you all doing it along with me? If you do not want to do this, please do it in your own way. Do it in your own with your own creativity, dear sisters and brothers. Refer some of it on the YouTube or somewhere, anywhere you find great. You very where you find this great. Just refer that and do with your own things. Find do with your own do it your in with your own way, inshallah. So in animation, let me just put it like how do I want to put it? Letter by letter. Let this be in letter by letter format, and animation letter by letter. Right. So and also let it be a bit later than let it appear a bit later than this one. So to make it appear in that way, just have to click on the three dot option and go with the stuff. And the excellence is reached. What happens in animation? It animated so fast. So let it animate a bit in lower speed. So this one, the excellence is reached. Let it be of the different font. Okay, give everything a try. This intro and outro you will create only for once, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, this intro and outro you will just create for once, right? So make it such a way that it seems beautiful and excellent. Now within the 45 minutes class or the 50 minutes class or 1 hour class, you can just create 5 to 10 intros for yourself and keep. So please create it along with me. I want you all to create your own intros along with me, inshallah. So this is the one intro that I want you all to create with your own stuffs, with your own brand logos and more. Out animation I want to give. You can just give any of the out animation. Probably for this I have not given. You can just give any slide down or something like clockwise. Anything, any way. I want to see how you will create, inshallah. I want to see after the class, you just have to send me the projects that you have created in the class. That's all, okay? You don't have an extra homework from now on, fine? Yesterday's class, probably you all found it a bit difficult, but alhamdulillah, that was a great going with. Snap inwards, whatever you want, you can just add out animation in animation. This is once a time you have to create this, right? The handle, the intro and outro. Why is an intro used? Can you please type in the chat box? Why is an intro and outro used? To advertise your platform, right? Yes, you can use my channel name if you want. Yes, in your videos, please make use of that itself now for the homework or something. If you want, you can just change it whenever you want to create for your own. Okay, do it in your own way. Come on, when it is. Okay, this is the first thing that I've created. Then what this video offers is it also offers the outro thing. So what I do is I'll just split it up. Fine. Let me just split it up. Split. Okay, done. So kya ho gaya? It is till 6 seconds. This is 6 second intro that I've created. Done. This you can keep it for the lifetime, or what you can just keep it till whatever time you want. You can just add this to your videos, to your any videos that you create. For example, if I create some learning videos, I'll add this video. This is kind of a bookish video that I've created. This background is for some kind of bookish thing. For example, my platform is a learning based platform, education platform, right? So I've selected some of it which can match my backgrounds, my templates, and more. Okay, so this is kind of, this will suit my way of what I say, my YouTube channels or my handles and my education platform, right? So let me show you some more educational platform based intros, and also we will start off with also some of the different like the technology based intros and more. I have sent you all of the intros. Probably you all have downloaded it, right? Inshallah, we'll try it out with all of those, and inshallah, we'll do it if time permits. Okay. So 6 second intro I have already designed. Just make it look more beautiful with your own effects and more, dear sisters and brothers. So go to the stickers, add any effects, add anything that seems best for you all. Do it in your own way. Fine, do it in your own way. Do not just refer like I have to do this way that the that teacher has taught. No, please. You can just do it in your own way. Make it more beautiful, inshallah, with your own creativity. Fine. So okay, let me just change this up. I wanted to make it a letter by letter. Okay, so this is done. Now let me just create, ma'am, which font did you use? Okay, this one. It is handwriting fonts, sister. Okay, just go to the fonts and there are handwriting fonts. It's a Satisfy regular. You can make use of any of the handwriting fonts and more. Okay. Okay. So the next thing, this in this you can just design it. This one just within the 10-second format, you just can design an outro. How to design an outro? It is same as that. You just have to write find us on this channel, find us on that channel, or you just can write a subscribe button off from this one. What for this what suits is for this what suits is, let me just duplicate this and show. Probably this suits well. It's the way I want to create. I want you all to create your own stuff with your own ways, with your own creativity, with your own type of thinking, inshallah. So this is an EDU-SITE that we have here. Let me just change this up to visit our YouTube channel or something like that. Okay, just a minute. Find this on. Find this on. And then I can give this watermark here also, this EDU-SITE watermark. I'll just duplicate it. I'll just place it here. This just takes me 5 minutes to do it, okay? It just takes me and you 5 minutes to do it. You can just make this in 5 minutes, and you have to keep it for lifetime. That's all. For any video that you're making, put this up in the start, the intro in the start, and then put your own videos after that. The educational videos that you're creating, or any videos that you're creating for your own channels, that would be sufficient to go with. Fine. Find is on. Let me just place it here. Let me just lower it up. Find is on. Okay. Then I want to create a. So shall I copy this? Yes, I can copy this up. Let me just duplicate it. Okay. So it's here. Where the excellence is reached. Let me edit it. To www.youtube.com. /at edu. I just can change the fonts because the what I say, this one, the website names and all are written in a different font, right? So the font is actually a bit probably in this manner. Do I have that? Just use this medium font. Probably this would be sufficient. No. Let's be here. So this should be in the caps format, okay? Because what I say, this one should be written, the website names and all should be written in the capital letters, fine? Keep it in the capital letter and just put it on in your own way that you want to put it on, fine? So this much is this is an intro, the simple intro that I have created. You can just make it in your own way. Does it seem okay to go with? Okay, this is a simple intro that I have to create, and I just wanted to show you all how beautiful it looks. Fine. So this is how you can just create with a this would be probably beneficial for the educational platforms or something like that. Okay, come on, let me just start off with the next intro. What you have to do, what you all have to do is just export and keep it. Okay, export and keep it. This will be just 5 MB or 10 MB. You can use it in any videos from now on, whichever video you are creating. Use this as an intro. Use the 6 seconds part as intro, and from 6th second to 10th second you use it as an outro. Okay, outro matlab you have to use it after the video, at the end of the video. Correct? Have you all understood this way? Please type. Okay, if this there is no, yes, handwriting, if it is not there, please download it. Yes, sister, just go to the fonts. When you go to the fonts, there is the asset store there. This one asset store here. Can you just see the asset store? Go to the marketplace and just download whatever the fonts are there. Okay, you will be having the handwriting fonts and more, right? So you just can download it from there. And next, okay, so this is one of the intros that I had to show you. So this is fine. Let me deal with more of it, inshallah. Come on, go with the next one, dear sisters and brothers. Or you can just write the project name as intro. Intro, outro. Okay, come on, let's create a project. Usually intros will be you can create intros in 3 formats also. One for the shorts, one for the 1:1, 1:1, and one for the YouTube standard. Okay, and whichever format you want, please create it and keep. Okay, I'll take the 12th second one now. Okay. Okay. So I have a video here. So this would be suitable for the technology related videos. For example, if you're making a intro for the, what I say, for a product review YouTube channel, or for the technology, matlab, we are making for the educational purposes, like kind of you're showing how you're gonna make things, like how you're gonna design some applications or something like that stuff, or something in the technology field, then this would be intro would be helpful. Fine. So what you're having, you just have to put and drag the logos along with this. Okay, logos along with this green screen. That's all. Right. So how you're going to insert it? Should you insert it in this way, or should you insert it in the layer format? You have to insert it in the layer format, right? So let me show you how you're going to insert it as layer format. First, you are having a black base. Correct, dear sisters and brothers? Have a black base. Correct. Close it this screen up. Okay. You can just extend it till how much ever time you want. Okay, you have your own logo. If you do not have your own logos, please use my logo, which I had sent to you in previous classes. Fine. Let me just start off. Create a layer. Okay. Come on, fill this page up. Fill this page up. I have seen you are not filling the pages properly. Dear sisters and brothers, I want you all to fit your design to the aspect ratio that you have taken. Okay, fit all of the videos to the aspect ratios, please. Fit all of your videos to the aspect ratios. Do not let this blank things come appear on the screen. Okay, if your videos are not fit inside this aspect ratio, only then this black things appear. Okay, when you export also, this much will be blank. Okay, this black thing will appear. So I want you all to do it with perfection. I want you all to do all of these stuffs with perfection, dear sisters and brothers. Fine. Okay, when you play this up, now what you have to do is, you have a green screen somewhere, right? So what you have to do is, now you have to head on till this end, stop here, and before that, what you all have to do is, you have to, what is an important thing? Chroma key, right? Enable the chroma key, switch on the key color. Which key color you have to use? Please type in the chat box. I want to know which key color you have to use. Is it the green key color? Yes, it's the green key color. Yes. So then what you all have to do is nothing but you have to make it more opaque, right? Dear sisters and brothers, make it more opaque so that the background, this one is not visible. Yes, you have to toggle these bars up so that you just have the content, the key thing, right? So what these two toggling buttons say is how much of the key should be retained. Okay, how much of the key content should be retained, how much of the green screen should be moved out. So these two things works great. So when you match this both up, it will actually make the screen appear in a opaque manner, and also the green screen removed. Fine. Let me just check with this a bit moving forward, so that when this green content appears, we have to be careful to remove this green, correct? Okay. So this is kind of perfect. Okay. Now let me just, what I have to do is I have to insert my own logo. For now, probably just have simple logo. You can just make use of your own logos, dear sisters and brothers. Please make use of your own logos. Go to your, take your own logos from your, what I say, from your, okay, from your media. What is the gallery that you have? Fine. Probably this blue stuff won't look good. Should I start with white? Okay. Okay. This is an educational blazed logo. Probably it won't seem good here, but okay, that's okay to go with now. I wanted to show you all how you're gonna create a logo for each and every stuff that you have. Fine. So this logo to be inserted till the end of the video. Fine. Remember, you're going to put it till the end of the video. Let me just put it till the 11th second. Please be careful now, inshallah. Trim right. And then you are going to place it in this way, in a way that you're gonna make this logo a round way, right? So how to make this round? How to make it a round? Just go to the cropping, click on the mask, and go to the circle option, right? So this is what you have. Yes, yes, sisters and brothers, alhamdulillah. Now, we are all starting off at a second, fine? So I want you all, are you all doing this along with me? Have you all inserted the same video that I had given as a 12th second? 11-second videos, okay? 11-second video. Now what you all have to do is you have to head on to the position where the logo is appearing. Come on, at this position the logo is appearing, right? Come on, at the second. Now let me start by placing this logo of mine here, exactly upon it, okay? So what I can do at start itself is you just can make it move behind. Fine. Click on the three dot option and put it behind. How to put it behind? Send to back. Okay, it's sent to back. Fine. When it starts appearing, okay, when it starts appearing, you have to make it seem like it appears in, right? So let me just see, where is it starting to appear? Be very slow with your this one. If it is not getting slower, I want you to just go to the timeline and pinch what I say. You have to pinch your fingers and make it increase. Okay, make this timestamp to increase, to maximize what I say, to zoom it up. Okay, so that each and every point, each and every milliseconds is visible to you. Okay, please pinch it what I say, pinch it forward, so that you can just maximize. In the maximizing fashion, you just have to press your two fingers. Okay, zoom it up with your two fingers. Fine. That's the thing that I have to say. Okay, so now move to the second that in which the green screen is appearing. Fine. And this way you can just keep track of milliseconds also. Correct, dear sisters and brothers? Yes, you can keep track of milliseconds also. So it's here. So what you all have to do is you have to toggle it in such a way that you have to maximize the screen. So to maximize it, just pinch it more, so that with your two fingers, just enlarge it up. That's all what you have to do. Now you all have to head on to the second. You want to watch the milliseconds also. Just move till here, wherever it's starting up to appear. Just move to that screen. Okay, so it is along 2 point. Okay, here you have to you have to be very careful with this stuff, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, now click on the plus button, okay, for this one. Okay, and now what happens is, now let me just make it a bit bigger in size. Okay, so it's here, and let me just put it here. Fine. So chalo, head on to the next position. Head on to the next position. Okay, here it has not come perfectly inside it. So I'll put another plus playhead. I'll place a playhead and I'll put it inside. Okay, this is fine. Just now let me just move. Click on the plus mark. Move it inside your stuff, okay? Move it inside this black. You should not make this black thing appear, right? Okay, move on, move on. This seems very great. Oh, you can just look at the last outcome, okay? Okay, come on, move forward. A bit by bit, you have to move, dear sisters and brothers. The animation key is inserting by itself. Have you all just seen this? The plus mark gets by itself. How does it gets there? Because once you have created an animation, it comes with by itself, right? Okay, move it in such a way that it seems perfect on the screen. Perfect and fit into the screen. Are you all doing it along with me? Please type. For every millisecond, you just have to insert this because this video is moving for every millisecond. Okay, then we are heading on to the next position. Yes, let me move it. Let me fill it inside perfectly. So it's moving again. Let me fill it inside perfectly. Okay, you have to do it for every millisecond, please. One important thing is you all have to toggle through the timeline that you have, fine? For example, it's here. Okay. One important thing is you have to maximize the timeline, fine? With the maximizing the timeline, this will appear great, fine? Or else this much animations you cannot give. You cannot take care of the minute level of animations that are available here, fine? So I want you all to just do this work. Okay, now it is stagnant, fine? It is stopped, fine? Now at this position, you can do something like you can just give it a smaller look and greater look like that, okay? Let me just show you how you can beautifully present this. The smaller look it is showing up. Now let me just give a bigger look for this one. Okay, it has stopped at this position, fine? The video has stopped at this position. So let me just give this a bit bigger animation, the smaller animation or something like that. This is being done on purpose, fine? On purpose we are doing this, not just for mistake kind of thing, okay? So chalo, this retains still. Where does it retain still? Let me just go to till that position. Where is it retaining it until? Okay, it retains till the end of the video. No, it retains still here, dear sister, okay? Dear sisters and brothers, okay. Till 6th second it is retaining. Come on, now insert a keyframe there. Okay. Now next. Hope you all are understanding this. Probably in the last homework that I had given, some of you have not done it right. Okay, now what you have to do now arrange it properly into this. Have you all understood how you are animating the things? Please type yes. This is a live training session. We are doing it along. We are doing it with you. Please type yes if you all have understood this concept. Alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, barakallahu fiki. Okay. So now I want you all to just click on this is a graphically designed, what we say, the background, and alhamdulillah, you have fit your logo so well into the screen that it seems that you have designed it with your own way, right? So the graphically designed things are already available on the stuffs like I mean bigger video editors, for example Render Forest or the Adobe Premiere Pro. They actually provide it as a templates, fine, all of the intros and outros. So actually the designers don't do it by themselves. They borrow it from the already present templates, fine. So what we can do is we can just download it from the YouTube or anywhere, or any of the platform will offer you free of cost, okay? And also this KineMaster has so many templates, dear sisters and brothers. I'll just show you in a while, inshallah. It has so many intro and outro templates that you all can make use of, and those are very excellent also, okay? For now, we are creating content by our own way, okay? Where you will understand how to use templates once you have gone through all of this course, fine? So we are heading on to the templates at the end, fine? So this is the reason. Okay, I have not given us a small gaps between. I have not given the animation to the small frames. So probably the out animation of this won't look good. Okay, so move it outside with the. So it stays here. Now let me just play it and show you how I have made this video. Just the 6-second video, it took me 10, probably 5 minutes to do it. Okay. Do not worry, it won't affect you, because this video that you have created, dear sisters and brothers, it is for lifetime, I say, because it's created for once. See how beautiful look it has got, right? Okay, this one I have told you already, I did not create it for the single thing, right? The last thing I did not do it for the single second, okay? So you have to remember, you have to do it for every millisecond for the end, okay? See here, the first stuff has appeared in very great manner, because for, okay, what is this again? I think it's glitching up. Okay, the screen has been glitched up. Just a moment. The intro has appeared excellently, dear sisters and brothers. Fine. See here, the intro has appeared excellently because I had given this much animation to it. I'll just show you how much animation I had given. See here. For intro, I have given this many animations, and alhamdulillah, it was perfectly arranged with the screen. Now for the outro, I did not give so many animations. Just I made it between. So the outro was not that superb for me. Fine. So I want you all to give a best input in this. Come on. Give it a try. The intro was looking great. The what I say, the logo appearing into the screen was looking great. Okay, it's again stuck up. Probably the screen share option has making the video not appear in a great manner. So you all are doing it well. Any doubts, dear sisters and brothers? Have you all got it right? I want you all to do it with a small timestamps. Okay, please do it with a small this seems good. See, well, it's going out. It is not looking good because the timestamps that have inserted, the keyframes at the end is not for the small time. Okay, I want you to do it for the every millisecond. For example, here I have done it, not done it for milliseconds. Fine. So you just have to arrange it along with the video to make it appear great. Fine. So first 6 seconds were perfectly aligned. Have you all done it right? Any doubts, you can just ask me. Okay, I'll take another of this now with itself, so that I can do another animation. I want you all to just go back and create a new project. Okay, you can finish this project after the class, fine? I will just move on to the next project. Come on. We'll just create another beautiful stuff. So go to the WhatsApp videos that you have just downloaded. Oh, let me see what is looking perfect. Okay, this one all you just can give it a try. You just have to insert your logo in a fashion that it comes and hits the background, and that way that looks great with this. Okay, for example, it should hit the background. For example, you should have the same color themed logos. Find your sisters and brothers. Remember, same color theme logos looks great with this. Okay, for me it's a blue background kind of the EDU-SITE thing that I have for now. I did not create it for the this stuff. So you just can, what you all can make use of is put a layer. Okay, it should match, your logo should match with the intro that I have sent. Okay, this is an important aspect that you have to take care of. Fine, because you have to create it professionally from now on, because alhamdulillah you are doing these things very perfectly, and now inshallah in upcoming sessions and more, I want you to make it appear more professional, inshallah. Okay, this also seems great. In animation, you just give it a rubber stamp. Fine, so this would look perfect when this is inserted in. Okay, do it in your own way. This is 1:1 background. Okay, take 1:1, please. Take the 1:1 ratio, and just put this up in any way you want. Okay, it's starting from somewhere. Let it start, and so when it enters in this way, so here itself you have to start off with this one, right? So let me see how you're gonna match this up. Okay. Probably this is not matching well with the screen, so increase its length and more, so that you are fitting it inside the screen so well. Fine. Now when you start off with this one, okay, so this much area it should occupy. It should occupy at least yahan se, at least till here. Okay. Okay, then what you have to do is, for this you have to give a feather option only, then it looks good. See here, give feather option. You have to remember your own way of doing things. You have to do it greatly, dear sisters and brothers. See, now it seems perfect. Okay, that's great. It looks great. You just can do it in your own way. Okay, You can do it, give this animation till here, and then also you can do it with the text, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, so do it with your text, right? The EDU-SITE there. For example, let me just remove this. Okay, without the logo itself, let me just start off. Okay, without the logo. So how we can do give it without the logo is you have to write a text, right? It should be something like the colored, yellow colored or orangish colored. Fine. So let me write a text. I probably do not have so much time to show each with each one, so I will try to make use of the short time, and inshallah I'll just take one text. Okay, I want you all to write the tagline also along with this. Okay, you can do it with the text also, dear sisters and brothers. Hope you all are understanding this. Okay, let it be kind of a burning font. Where is the burning font that we have? Where is the burning font? Okay, this also goes great with this. Come on, make use of any of the stuffs that you have. The Creepster is a burning font. I made use of this when I had to apply it for the few of the things like that. Okay. Okay. So for this, you just can give any of the text option, the well blending option, the outline option. Let me just give the outline as the very some orangish color. Okay. The weight of this outline should be not that much. Okay. Just a bit of outline so that it should match with the screen. And I'll give a glow for this so that it spreads out in a way that it seems like it is also a kind of fire that is imbibed. See how great it looks, right? Okay, let me just decrease its size and also increase the spread. No, this won't go out. So let me just increase its size. Yes, now it seems perfect. You can make such a great stuff, dear sisters and brothers. See here. Okay, you have to align it perfectly with the background. Fine, you have to align perfectly with the background. So this is fine right now. Okay, but inserting, it should be having an animation. For example, let it be a rubber stamp will coming in. And then let me just do one thing. Okay, I'll duplicate this font. Okay, I'll duplicate this font for 2 times. See here how I'm doing it. Let me just duplicate this font for 2 times, and then let me give an animation to both of this. Okay, let it is here. Okay, now there are two fonts. Let me just put a plus button for this, and let me make it move out of the screen. One font move out from this side. Okay, see here how beautifully you can do it in your own ways. Let me put a plus here and let me move out of the screen from this side. Okay, now again I'll put it back to the screen. To put it back into the screen at this stage, let me do one thing and put it back here. Okay, it is being put back into the screen. Now let me put it this one back into the screen at this time. Okay, so this animation, see how you have to animate in your own way. Think how you can just do this perfectly. That's all. No, this is not seeming right. Probably the way it worked is wrong. Fine. The inanimation thing, let me just remove the inanimation. Let it fade and come. Fine. Okay, because okay, why was this created in such a way? Because I'll tell you why it is so. Because this is just a 1 second format that I had taken. Fine. So what I had to do was, okay, so I had to increase this till the end. Fine. Increase the duration of this text till the end. And then in animation should be faded up or none. No need of any animation. In animation and but just to show you how did I animate the things there. Okay, in this way I can animate. See here. Okay, is it looking perfect with the screen? Yes, but for the inanimation, please give a rubber stamp there, fine? Because I did not have time here to put in the inanimation at this. You have to put it here at least at the 15th second, so that the inanimation that has to appear should appear in a very faster manner. I can just give a 0.1 second for this. Okay, let me just give it for the 0.1 second. Rubber stamp at 0.1 second. Come on, dear sisters, play it and see how beautiful content you have created. You can do the same stuff with your loan logos. Fine. Okay. Hope you all are working great with it. I want you to also insert the this one tagline along with this. Okay. If I had time, I would have shown you all of the stuff that you can create. Beautiful, wonderful stuff that you can create with all of the contents that you have. Fine. Okay. Now I'll see another video. I'll just take one more last example and then I'll just move on to how you're creating the social icon videos. Fine. Okay. So I'll just watch the videos that can. This is also fine, right? Please give it a try with this, dear sisters and brothers. It is also fine. You just have to put a logo there and inanimate there, or also green screen there. You can just animate your own logo there. That's all. Okay. Then this one. Okay, the same green screen thing, animation thing works here. Great, okay, works great here. The tagline, okay, where the tagline should be assigned is it perfectly when it shows this one. I'll show you where. When it shows a below thing with this one with the light. Okay, here you have to assign the tagline thing when it just sparkled there. Okay, tagline and the logo. Please make sure you're editing a great content. I want to see you build up a great content, inshallah. I want, please send whatever the homeworks you have done, whatever you have done in the live session as well as after the class, okay? And now I'll show you some of the outros that you can all create. Fine. The outro that I had sent, please just put it on the screen, inshallah. Put it on the screen. Some of the outro stuffs that you can create. Come on, put it on the screen. It is just of the 29 second. You all can put it just on as a base also, okay? Don't worry, you can just put it as a base because you do not have any green screen there. Put it as a base, okay? Do not put it as this one. Okay. Then what you have, you just have a logo. What you have to do is you have to place a logo there. Let me place my logo. Okay. Place a logo there. So what is it, white? Okay, let me just match it with the white itself so that it looks great with it. So then what I'm going to do is cropping up, masking up, rounding up. That's all. So all of these options are very necessary now. I hope you all have understood why we had learned all of this stuff at start, right? Because we had to arrange this. We had to learn how to arrange our stuff, how to make use of all of the tools and more, right? So this is it. You have to start off with the logo itself. Sorry, this is not seeming perfect to me because it is starting off with the. Okay. So yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So let me just show you how you're going to. Please keep this as a base, okay? Put it as a base and not as a layer. I had put it. I have went into the media browser, and so I just wanted to show you this stuff. Fine. So this one, EDU-SITE, it shows here, and then what you can insert here is, okay, come on. Here, what I want you all to write is, put your EDU-SITE here. I borrowed the same font from there. I want you all to create new projects. Fine, create the new project for each stuff that we are creating. I'm showing it to you how you can just create it, but I want an excellent copy of the content that we have created. Fine, inshallah. So we'll just remove the animation because I have just borrowed it from the other part, from the other video. I'll just put the stuff here. EDU-SITE. It should be below this one, right? So the font should change. It should be a good font, right? It should look great. So this is the font, and let the font be black colored. Okay. So in animation, fade. Okay, this is not seeming perfect because duplicate, it is behind, right? Bring forward. Okay. And also one thing for this, I do not want any of the glow or something like that. It was used for the previous one. Outline also not required. Okay, so this is how you can just create your own way of what we say, the outros. Okay, just for once, dear sisters and brothers, spend your 5 to 15 minutes of time. You can just create 1 or 2 intros and keep 2 to 3 intros and outros for yourself. Okay, please make use of the stuff and inshallah create your own intros and outros. Okay, if you are not liking all of the videos that I sent, please go to the YouTube, search for the intros and outros with the green screen. You just type intros and outros with the green screen, or intros and outros for your own YouTube channels. You can just borrow that stuff, copy that stuff, and then download that stuff, and just you have to change, or you have to put in your own logos and this one there. Okay, this was the intros and outros that I had to show. And one more thing, dear sisters and brothers, important aspect I had told you regarding the. Do you all remember I had told you how to create the social media icon videos when we were going through the class, right? When we were in the classes, into the classes, right? So let me just show you some of the social icon videos. Now, what is a social icon video, dear sisters and brothers? Please type in the chat box. What is a social icon video? It is nothing but it is being inserted at the Where is it inserted? Can you all please type? What is a social icon video? So let me just go to the media, image assets, the white screen let me take. So I'll just change the color to the green. So how to create the social icon video is nothing but put a green stuff and add your own icons. For example, probably I have downloaded it or not. No, I did not download it. Okay. If you have any of the icons like YouTube videos or something like that, you need to go to the stickers. Okay, go to the stickers. 3D social media icons are already available. Keep this somewhere. Okay, subscribe button and something like this one. Okay, for example, you can create just a icon video. I'll show you how you're creating. Type put it somewhere in this manner and put your own logo there. Fine, media and also a logo with this. Okay, these three things are a homework for you all. I want to see a beautiful content created, inshallah. So just crop this up, mask this up, create a beautiful content, dear sisters and brothers, inshallah. So this is how it seems to you to the screen. Okay. Okay, you have to inanimate this, out animate this, fine. And then when this appears, put this somewhere inside the this one, or you can just put it in this manner and then give it a bit or this probably for this won't seem good, but text would seem good. So let me just borrow this text, duplicate it up and put it here. So this is in the green screen that I have created. Okay, why did I create it? Do you all remember? Because this can be borrowed into your own text. Do you remember why are we creating this? This can be borrowed into your videos. At any point of your video, you can just put this and remove the green screen. Okay, you just have to put this and remove the green screen. That's all. So let me match this color with the YouTube tagline. So this is the color. Okay, I just can't put any of the this one or anything like that. For now, let it just fine. So when I export this app, dear sisters and brothers, I export this and keep it somewhere. Okay, it just takes my 5 minutes. Just export it and keep it somewhere. Fine. When you are doing your own videos, what you have to do is in that videos you have to put those green things, put those green screen things. For example, for someone I have created this. I'll show you for the your sister Islam. These are the social media icon things that I've created for them. Okay. See here. What I do is when I want this their logo and to appear like subscribe to our channel or something like that. In between their videos, I put this stuff. Okay. These are known as social media icon videos. Fine. For example, this one I have already shown you. Okay, this is the website. How you just can go to subscribe this website or visit this website for more information. So you just can put it in between your videos. Okay, in yesterday's videos, alhamdulillah, I've seen all of you have put the subscribe button and more that are called as social media icon videos. Okay, just remember that stuff. So see here how you can just put the Instagram handle of theirs into the picture, into the videos, into the center. You just have to remove the green screen content, right? So this is what it is. Fine. So Alhamdulillah, this was about the social icon videos. Alhamdulillah, we have covered how to do the outro videos, how to go with intro videos, how to do the social media icon videos. Hope you all have understood. Please type yes now. Please stop for a while and type yes if you have understood how you're doing all of this stuff. Social media icon videos. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so we have learned all of these three steps. Just give me 5 minutes. We are learning how to take all of this from the templates of the kind master and without giving more of the what we say without putting more us in ourselves into the more of the work. We can just make use of the templates that are already available. Okay, I want you all to just go on the home screen. Okay, home screen of the kind master. Click on the home. It is available here. Fine. Click on the home. Now what you all have to do is click on this the search button, search video template. Fine. Now you just can type intro there. Type intro there. See, the kind master has offered so much stuff. See, this is by the kind master, build up by the kind master, has offered the hundreds of intro videos for you. Okay, you can just make use of the any of the intros. For example, let me just make use of this 2.6 million wala. This one intro. Okay, so just what you have to do is click on that. Okay, and click on the mix, dear sisters and brothers. Please click on the mix. Okay, The project will be downloaded within a few seconds. Okay, this doesn't take much time because I'm also sharing with you. It is taking time. It just takes just 1 minute of yours, right? Please download the projects that are there. Hope you all are doing it along with me. Come on, type yes. Download the project. Download the project that seems great for you. Go and download the intros. For the homework, inshallah, I want the beautiful intros from you all, your sisters and brothers. Let me see how you all are dealing with this. How much you have understood in this concept. Alhamdulillah. So, okay, it's not being downloaded. It's asking you to create an account. Okay, you can just create an account in the Kind Master, no problem. You can just share the Gmail ID or something like that and create an account if you want to. It also works great with the mod version also. Mod version, those who have mod version also have this way of doing things. Okay, it downloads the assets, it downloads the project entirely, and it will be available on your create project now after downloading the assets and more. Okay, so I want you all to make use of this stuffs as well, inshallah. This will be very easy to go with. Okay, inshallah. So now it's imported in my project and it's very easy. So what they have done is they have already told you how they have created this stuff. Okay, one thing is they have added a this one. See here, what they have added here is it is nothing but a fireball here. Okay, this is a fire video. Fine, this is a video that they have added. Then they have added something like again the fireball kind of what we say a layer, and again the text they have added, again the text they have added, and this were the almost how many stuffs they have added. Just see here, this is about the layers. Fine, these are the so many layers that they have added. First important thing is that it is truly based on the number of layers your device is compatible for. Okay, for me my device is not compatible for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. It has inserted 14 layers. Okay, my device is probably not compatible for 14 layers. So what I'll do is I'll just check how many layers can my device see. How to check this? Go to the settings, and check how much device, how many, what we say, how many layers is my my cell phone compatible for. There is a compatibility test that you can run, dear sisters and brothers. If you do not want to run the compatibility test, do not worry. You just can make use of the setting button in the create option. Okay, in the create option there is a setting button on the right top. Okay, you just have to visit there. Fine. And then there's something called as a device performance. This one, probably it says you how many layers it can insert. It is told that it is just the 6 layers that my device can insert. See here, it's just the 6 layer. Number of the supported video layers is nothing but 2 for the 1080 pixels, 4 for 720 pixels, 6 for 540 pixels. Okay, so it is truly based on the layers that our device is compatible for. Fine. So you can check the give a compatibility check for your devices and make use of the layers. Let me just allow the unlimited layers and press yes. Okay, it says that your Kind Master might shut down without notice if it is not compatible with your device. But let me just try it out with that and see if it is working. Yes, it is working. So I want you all to enable the button called as unlimited layers. Please enable the button called as unlimited layers. Fine. Do not play it, just change the text. For example, change it to the EDU-SITE. I'll just change it to the EDU-SITE, and what I do is I'll just export this up. Okay, because my device is not supporting the n number of layers. Probably it's totally based on your device's sisters. Okay, for me it's 6 layers supporting up. What I did was I wanted to apply all of the layers. There are 12 layers here. Fine, 12 to 14 layers. Probably it's 16 layers that are here. So to make it up in that way, I have to do some changes. That's all. Then you just have to export it in your own way. Export it up and save the videos. Then you will have a beautiful and excellent text created. Hope you all are finding this great. The templates works great, dear sisters. So for the intros, for the outros, the Kind Master offers beautiful intros and outros. You can just download it in your own way. And also you can just select whatever options you want and save this video. Okay. Hope you all did it well. This was the session for today. In tomorrow's class, we will be seeing about the the business promo videos, or inshallah we'll try to see how to edit the shorts for the Instagram, YouTube, or something like that, or inshallah we will see more of the steps, whatever we can create in tomorrow's class, in tomorrow's training session. Okay, hope you all found this session interesting. Kindly type in the chat box about the lesson recap, inshallah, so that whoever is here, whoever joined late or something, can just understand whatever was dealt with. We had dealt with the intro, yes. We have dealt with an outro. We have dealt with the social media icon videos, and also how to, yes, how to get the templates and make our work easy, right? So if you have any doubts, you can just ping me, inshallah. I'll help you out throughout. Okay, so take care of yourself, inshallah. This was a session for today, and inshallah we'll see in tomorrow's class. So subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters here.